Today is Sunday and I visited the dealership stockyard again. And I saw these two Vios parked side by side. Now, I cannot differentiate which model is which model. So, what we will do, let us first take a video on both unit, look at the differences, and then we will identify what model is this. So, this one on the left side. Okay. And this one on the right side. If you look at the front grille, the headlight, it's the same. Okay. So the difference is the fog light. This one has a fog light. This one does not have a fog light. So only one difference for now that we have spotted. Number two is the tire. No, this one is a steel rim with hubcap. This one is an alloy wheel. So, well, help me spot the difference between the two. Here, the side mirror is body color. Door handle is body color. Here, the side mirror is black. It's black. They push it down because it's parked side by side. No? And also, the door handle is also black. What else? I cannot see any differences. So let's go to the back. It rained last night, so I will just take a video as it is. So in the back, tail light, okay, and tail light the same. Reflector, the same. There's a third brake lamp and also here. So one difference is the antenna, the fin antenna. And this one, they remove it, but there's a rubber ducky antenna here. Okay, so what else? The door trim, everything is in black. And how about this one? Okay. No more. No more. And here are the other unit. So with fog light, no fog light, with fog light, with fog light. Okay. So what else are the difference? I think that's all from the outside. So next thing we will do is we will go inside, but I have to park the car this way, park that way, because the sun is there. And this one, I'm going to park it this way. Now, let's look inside. RPM meter, speedometer, gasoline, odo, and then the information system. Then air condition, thermostat, aircon on off, mode, recycle, and automatic transmission, cigarette lighter. Now the steering wheel, there's a control here for selection, volume, mode, and for answering. This is smart device link, so you could link your phone by Bluetooth and by connecting to the USB port here. So and then let's look at the seat, fabric seat. Okay, I'm going to the other car. So RPM meter, speedometer, gasoline, okay, the stereo system, aircon, automatic transmission, 12 volts. The fabric seat is different in design, but basically here it's the same. Okay. This is the steering wheel. The same also. One difference is the side mirror cannot be folded here. Okay. Other than that, it's the same. So look well on the speedometer. I'm going to the other car and we will take another video on the speedometer. It's against the sun. So this is the speedometer. Okay, this is the steering wheel. So there you go. This is the difference between the Toyota Vios 1.3 XE CVT and the 1.3 XLE CVT model. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.